Stop trying to live other people's dreams. Stop trying to achieve other people's goals. Go out and conquer your own.
When it comes to the end, will you look back and be proud at what you've achieved? Do you live your life on purpose? Or are you another blind rat in the worldwide rat race?
You are special, unique, one out of one. Stop trying to be someone else and start being the best you. Dream your own dreams. Set your own goals. Live up to your own expectations. Believe in yourself. Believe in your dreams. Believe in you.
If you consider your life as a movie, you are the director. You are in charge of your own life.
There will be many people in your life with good intentions that have unrealistic expectations for your future. They won't be unrealistic because they expect too much from you, but rather unrealistic because they expect too little. Your father, mother or friends might mean well, but you have to set the standard in your own life. You can outperform your parents and their expectations. It isn't against the law. You can break free from your peer group and become the leader of the pack. You can set the standard. Set the example. Every day, make sure that you commit to making yourself a better you, and slowly but surely you'll get closer and closer to your goals. You cannot live your life trying to be someone else. You cannot live your life trying to be something you're not. You aren't a clone or a carbon copy of your idols. Live your own life. That's the beauty of life. We're all different. We don't all want the same career. We don't all want the same amount of money. We don't all want the same partner. We don't all want the same house. We are individuals, and so our dreams should be individual to us. Life is just one big opportunity. There really are no limits. Keep focused and find a way to reach the top. You can have anything you put your mind to.
Every step, every moment is a crucial component of your life. Every day, every moment, every second, every decision is a crucial component of your life. You will not be perfect. No one is perfect, but you will be deliberate. You will be on purpose, and you will be in charge. In charge of your life, in charge of your destiny. Just do something. Do whatever you can. Take action. Take the first steps. You will discover you are much more than you thought you were. Are you directing your life on purpose? Do you guide your dreams to reach your destination? What is your why? Are you the director? Are you the boss of your story, the master of your script? Are you in control?
Follow your heart and go for the things your soul really wants. Go for the things your higher being wants. Fulfill your destiny. Live your own life. Live your dreams. Live fearless.